Welcome back to Deadly TV. Today we're going to teach you how to steal a car.
Unsuccessfully.
Step number 1 to steal a car. Make as much noise as possible.
I'm Gobi, I'm Ricky, and welcome to Deadly TV.
Yes, my people, so we're here in Luton. The brother who owns the car, he's just turned up and we managed to open the bonnet. That was a deadly struggle. The neighbours probably thought we were trying to steal their car and that, but we managed it. Hello there, brother Hawks.
Hello, matey.
Yeah, we got Deadly Gobi here.
Always making me work.
All thanks to Gobi. He managed to pull the latch.
Successfully
Get
prove
back to
I'm the
work,
biggest
okay?
criminal. Bonnet latch was broken. Had to hold the latch down onto the piece that it goes onto and basically squeeze it with one hand, twist with the other. Open now.
Guys, let's check this oil. I think it's got a bit of oil on it, but
Dirty.
yeah, it's dirty oil. It needs a service.
Yeah.
Let's check if it's got any. Let's check the water on that quickly. Let's see if there's any water in it.
Bro, do you need some fluid?
I think we might. Let's see if there's even anything in there. Nah, hold on. No, there is stuff in it. I can't reach it, but there's stuff in it.
Just stick your fingers in there, why not?
Come on, henchman.
Everything's seized.
Yeah, everything's just seized up. Yeah,
Looks alright.
yeah, looks alright. Got Bassett by here, the deadly bag specialist. But what are you doing exactly before we try and start it?
I'm unplugging the coils
Yep,
so the car doesn't start, so we can crank it a couple times.
yep.
So it builds some oil pressure, get some oil on the head and stuff, because it's been sitting for a long time, innit?
It's not been driven in how long, bro?
What, 4 years?
4 years. Bloody hell.
Some lubrication.
Yeah. Guys, that car's not even been started in 4 years. We don't even know what to expect right now, but hopefully it starts up and we're attempting to drive this car all the way back to London. So let's see if we can make it, but let's see if it even starts first. We're already thinking too much ahead.
Just
Car's
it's
not in
in
gear.
Just crank it, we just want to build some pressure.
It's like a junkyard in here. Okay, cool. Tell me when to crank it in it.
Yeah, go on,
did
do
you
it.
put the clutch in to crank it? Or to start?
Yeah.
It's the clutch in, yeah? Ready?
Go on. Stop. Everything good here, yeah?
Yeah.
Go on.
That's enough, I think, to start it now, innit?
Yeah. Should be fine.
Plug the coil packs and that back in. The car's not been started in over a year and it's not been driven in 4 years. Let's try this. Bismillah. Are we ready, Gobi, yeah?
Let's go.
We started up one time.
Not bad. Not bad, you know. The dog bucket fired up. We're gonna pump up all of the tires and then go to the local petrol pump, put some fresh fuel in it, and have a look at it under some light properly. Nah. It's trying to move. Car has fired up. Unfortunately, both the rear wheels are seized. So me, Jay, Hawks, we are going to Asda to find some, I don't know, WD-40 or something, because the only other option is to cut the handbrake cables, which I do not feel like doing right now. Let's go see if we can get these brakes unstuck.
So guys, we tried getting the car rolling, but it's not happening. The driver's side rear wheel is seized up, and we think it's the handbrake that's just probably seized in it.
Yeah.
We've tried driving it front and back. All the other wheels moved, but that wheel, we put WD-40 on it, it's still not working. We've been here for 3 hours, and I think it's time to call a deadly recovery service. So we have made a call, and the brother ain't too far away, so hopefully he should be here soon. We wanted to drive it back, but it's not meant to be, and I think it's probably happened for a good reason. The car's not been driven for 4 years, and it's been stuck here. Like, the engine hasn't been started for a year either, so it's a bit of a risky one. But we're gonna get it on the recovery, and we're gonna get it at our mate's garage at Takamo Auto Clinic, and we'll show you exactly what's gone wrong, and yeah, get you back on the road. So catch us soon, guys. We've got some extra deadly rims, the original rims with the car as well. Have a look at the original VW Golf R20 rims. Yeah, they've seen better days. The brothers curbed their living daylights out of them, but we're gonna get them refurbed and make them fresh, boy. Look.
That's not bad.
Yeah, this one's not too bad.
Yeah.
But they're gonna be looking fresh.
We've called the recovery. Look, we was about to put it on the bed. We've dragged the car off, and guess what happened? The bloody wheel popped free.
And now he's moving and he's driving, but there's some funny noises coming from the front coil spring.
Yeah, front corner.
Yeah.
I think maybe it might just be touching the inside bumper somewhere, but
where do you get my number from?
we're still just gonna get it recovered because, I mean, it's not worth the risk. Do you know what I mean?
And I'm just going to tell you left and right, please, yeah? If I tell you slam on the brakes, then slam on.
We pulled the tow truck to the car. Have you your brakes? No.
Guys, we've just got the car on the ramp at Takamo, and Solus has changed the front coil springs. The rear is sitting like this now, but that's not been changed. It's still on the original coil springs. The front have been changed. It was sitting really low. Now you can see how high it is. I think the front and the back are matching, so I'm going to take it for a quick drive and just basically just see, does it settle anymore, does it go down. We've changed the water windscreen tank bottle as well. That's looking nice and fresh. The other one was cracked and it was leaking. So yeah, let's get the number plates on it and let's go for a deadly drive. Guys, as you can see, the coil springs on the front are here, and it was snapped. It was so rusty that it just snapped off. Straight clean off here, and the same one here as well. So we've changed the front coil springs on the car, and now it's sitting ready. It's sitting much better. But yeah, that was a rusty boy.
Right, guys, it's day number 2. The car's come back. This guy always finds these deals. What the hell is this, Rix?
Guys, I'm always finding the deadly dog bucket deals here. But this one was a mad one. Like, I'll tell you exactly how we come across it. So I had someone that we knew for quite a few years. He reached out to me on Instagram and he said he's had this car for about 5-6 years, and basically a few years ago he actually got on a ban, so he wasn't able to drive the car. Now he's come off his ban, but he's really struggling to insure the car, and other sort of responsibilities have come in the way. So he's like, you know what, boys, I need the car gone. So obviously we've come to a deadly deal as always.
Yeah.
We've negotiated, and yeah, the brother hooked us up and we've got the car. But it was a bit of a nightmare. Like, we tried to drive it back. I don't know why even we thought we could do it.
Nah, the handbrake, was seized on the right hand side, back right. The front, both the front coils were snapped. So obviously they needed to be changed. The car went to Takamo, they got changed. But the car overall, I'm not gonna lie, even if it was in running order, I don't think I would have got in. This car is disgusting.
I think it definitely is the most dirtiest car that we've
Yeah,
bought.
100%.
Like, it's filthy, guys.
Like, even though the R32 was sitting for a minute as well,
Yeah.
it wasn't this bad. At least the guy knew he ain't driving it, but let me wash it and keep it half decent.
Even
this
the-
car was trash.
Even the grey E30 was nowhere near as bad as this.
No,
you know?
I'm bro. Like, it's very rare for me to not get in the car because of how dirty it is. Like, I'm a hygienic, yeah, cool, but like I know you can wash clothes. This car was like, yo, slap down the recovery, my brother.
Guys, it's an absolute madness. We'll show you around the car, just take you around it quickly and just show you how dirty and filthy the car is.
This
And
really is a dog bucket. Dirty dog.
guys, I think let's start off with the deadly rusty boy.
Straight away, front wing got a rust.
Rust, man. Like, you could see, guys, like, you know what? It's got scratches and dents and stuff, like, here and there, sort of all over the car. I don't know what's happened here. Look, Gobby, there's like so many scratches.
Yeah, I don't know.
Someone-
Maybe he tried detailing it without the actual pad on the machine.
Just straight, bro.
Why the hell?
Or maybe his children tried drawing on it or something, you know. He's just got loads of scratches, and obviously you can see the headlights.
Yeah, you ain't seeing nothing out of there.
Yeah, they are looking proper mash up. It's got some aftermarket wheels on it. They don't look too bad.
I'm quite a fan. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think they're the worst wheels I've ever seen.
Yeah,
like,
they actually look alright, but I think the originals would just look a bit nicer, innit?
there is a forest growing on this car.
You can show this bit, Gobby. There is definitely things growing out
Yeah.
from the side of the car. You know?
It's peak. Look, someone's actually lost their life.
Oh, there's a fly, dead fly in the car. How long has that been there? We've got some more grass growing out. Shout out to Sambo
What's
Tires.
this? Is this just
It's cobwebs. Yeah, Gobby.
I thought it was cracks in the paint.
Yeah, it's cobwebs, like.
Bruh.
But yeah, I think it gets even worse on the back.
We got
guys.
the Decadim diffuser.
The
That's what we
deadly-
call these.
Deadly Formula One rear light that keeps flashing like you're in a race car.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. But
Well, you don't like the Formula One light?
I think it suits certain
You're
cars.
gonna have the whole of East London after you. G.
I know,
Everyone's got them.
but otherwise, let's give it a give.
C220Ds, 318Is. They've all got the
Even
racing
Priuses
light.
have it
Yeah,
now.
everyone's a racer. G.
Yeah, but in case they don't like us, we're taking it up. But let's give it away then, innit?
Alright, cool.
Guys, honestly, even on the back, Gobby, man, it's so filthy, man.
Yeah.
Like, just look at this. It's just madness. But we didn't want to wash it straight away. Let them see how
Yeah.
it really is when cars are abandoned and just left. You know, like,
That is grim. Boy.
yeah, it's disgusting, guys, man.
Mucky.
Yeah, it even looks proper filthy down here. You could see it's a pure madness, guys, man. But yeah,
I'm not gonna lie, that interior, I remember the day we got it,
Mm.
I swear something urinated in this car, man.
It was smelling bad, innit, Gobby?
Yeah, it's not smelling right now, but something urinated in this
maybe
car.
like a fox or something under the car. or
Holy
something.
crap, it was so bad, we
Bad.
couldn't even get next to the car.
But yeah, the back, like, yes,
Yeah,
it's got
it's
a few
alright.
stains and stuff.
A little bit of fungus, some bacteria that we don't
Marks.
know. You got mold. Oh my god.
Yeah,
What
the
is
roof-
going on here?
The roof lining's a bit
Oh,
sagging.
you know what? This is
What?
a drug dealer car. This is plot.
Is it?
It's plot. You put your stuff there. You
But
put it
look
all
how it's
away.
hanging, everything's gonna fall out. What kind of deadly drug dealer spot is this, you know? And the front seats ain't too bad, like, it's actually
No,
alright.
I really like the steering wheel though.
You know, let me turn it on, Gobby, so that at least people could hear the beast. Yeah.
Cheese.
Just let it warm up like for a minute, and then I'll give you a few revs. Yeah. So it's a 2-litre 4-cylinder TFSI engine.
Yeah.
And it makes like 270 horsepower from standard. I'll show you. It's been mapped.
Oh yeah.
So guys, you can see the stock power. It says it's like 284, but a lot of people say they're like 270. But cool. Just say it is 284, yeah. Then tuned, stage 1 is like 319 horsepower.
Not bad.
Yeah, so it's not bad. That's why it's quite nippy,
Not bad.
man.
It's got decent amount of torque as well.
Yeah,
4-wheel drive.
yeah. It's actually
Oh.
alright, man.
I mean, I drove it as well. The car's not that bad to drive. It actually handles really nice.
Yeah.
Go on.
It's got the soft limiter. 1 second.
It's got a soft limiter.
Yeah. Show,
Yeah.
Gobby, come and show them. So look, if I just press on the gas, guys, yeah,
Yeah.
you'll only go to 4, just even under 4. But
Is
hold
that
on,
launch control.
no, but if I turn the traction off, let me see, does it rev more? I think it does.
Okay. launch control, no?
I think so. I don't know.
It might be.
It actually sounds quite mad though.
Yeah,
innit?
yeah,
but
yeah.
if you just rev it, it just stops at just before 4. But if you dip the clutch in, it revs all the way.
Okay, so it's a Porsche. Launch
Yeah. Let's show them under the hood. Obviously, it's a bit of a stage.
Oh
but-
yeah, show them how you have to open the hood. Do you know how to open the hood?
So basically,
Have they fixed it?
they sort of fixed it. They said you have to pull the lever and you have to push the bonnet down, and then it just opens nicely. So let's try it.
Okay.
So go to the front. I'll pull the lever. Otherwise, I don't want to snap it off.
Yeah.
Okay, it snapped off. Well, they could show the lever just comes off. Yeah, guys, you can see that.
Okay,
So what
let me show you how you have to do it.
So you do it, and I'll.
So this is called engine mods non-stolen like protection basically. So you have to put it in place.
I have to put it in place and just whack it in, like
No.
give it a slap.
You have to put it in place, yeah? So it's in now.
Yeah.
You have to squeeze the life out of it in with this hand,
Yep.
and then with the other hand you have to slowly pull.
I don't think that worked, but I know what you mean because it did work before.
Yeah.
So look, try that again, and I'm gonna push the bonnet down. Are you trying it? Yeah. Look, it's open.
It's open.
Yeah, it's open. Guys, this is the heart of the deadly beast, the 2-litre TFSI engine, and I think it's got a KO4 turbo. That's what Bassett said.
Looks like it's been through a desert, bro.
I know. Look, like now with the sunlight on it, they could actually see how dusty it is. Like we said, stock they're like 270 brake. And
Giraffe neck on the engine oil filler.
Yep, and see all the dust down here. It's got some aftermarket pipework,
Yeah.
really, and a aftermarket air filter. But yeah, it's just mad dusty. Like, you know, you can see it's proper.
Simple upgrades. Stage 1 you said, right?
Yeah, stage
So
1.
basically exhaust, intake, map it to get the power up.
That's it. And it's not bad from like 270, 280 brake to like 320 in it.
Can't complain, yeah.
I think you've seen it sort of overall. She's definitely seen better days. She's a bit rough around the edges, but I think once we sort of get our deadly people on it, innit, Gobby?
Yeah. I like the interior on this car.
Yeah.
The seats. Show them the seats. Like,
I know the interior does actually look really nice.
I am a fan of this interior.
No, the interior
looks
looks really good.
I mean, Golf haven't changed the interior in like 10 years,
Yeah.
so it's a bit rubbish in that sense, but I like how they've done it. Like, it's got, even the back seats have a bucket style to
Yeah.
them.
Even these
Quite
bits here, if you look at it, actually still looks quite fresh.
Yeah, they are.
Like the condition is not.
What is
bad.
the mileage on this?
114.
Oh.
So it's not mad high, but it just got a few little markings on the lever here. This is quite a common problem with VW Golfs as well. The back sort of drink holder, whatever this is, breaks, the cover snap.
Well, everywhere you go, you're doing 170 miles per hour, so I don't even see how you're going to hold drinks in
I
place.
think that's that trim for that, Gobby.
What?
I think that's that trim. Did we just find it? Come here, Gobby.
Did you just do magic?
I think it's this trim here. I think it's that trim. Put it in. Because he was like, he can't find it.
Oh.
They were like saying, fine, if you can't find it, then knock off like £500 and that.
Did you actually say that to him?
No, we found it, yeah? That's it.
Yeah.
Or does that mean I owe the guy £500 now?
Basically, yeah. By the sounds of it.
Oh, no, I'll have to just treat him to a burger.
Bro, the guy's bare far. I'm not going back there to buy my man a cheeseburger.
That's
bro.
it. So yeah, this walk around's been beneficial. We're finding parts as we go along, guys.
Yeah. I
But
just hope we don't find a bloody dead fox or a rat or anything.
yeah, that'd be a madness.
got
Guys, you can see the car's in a proper rough state, but hopefully it's gonna have a deadly transformation. We've got a few ideas in mind, and yeah, Gobby, I guess the next time you guys are gonna see us on the car is once the transformation is all done.
You're looking like a fresh minter.
Yeah, no longer looking like a dirty dog bucket.
Right, guys. Now we've introduced you to the VW Golf R Mark 6. That's part 1 done.
Guys, get ready for part 2, where we're going to drop the alloys to alloy fix, and we're going to show you around the car once we start cleaning it up. So make sure you stay tuned and stay ready.